What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I'm actually going to be giving you guys a little bit different of a video. It's going to be a tutorial. Now to kind of start things off, if you've been following me, you probably know that I'm very into leather goods, whether it's like a case or a wallet or something along the lines of that. And when it comes to my AirPods, the one I've probably enjoyed and used the most is the Rugged Case by Nomad. It has some of the best patina. It protects your AirPods really, really well. And just overall is my favorite case that I found for them. But by a landslide, the most annoying thing about this particular one is it doesn't have an easy way to attach to your keys. Now, in the way that I use my AirPods, kind of having them attached to my keys is an essential. And I found ways to kind of make it happen. Until recently I stumbled on a pretty good way to do so, to add a keychain functionality to this particular case for your AirPods. If you want one that hooks onto your keys that's also really high quality leather. And I'm going to show you guys how I did that today. So first things first, when you take the actual case off of your AirPods, slide my AirPods out. Probably isn't the best way to do that, but whatever. When you take the case off your AirPods, you'll actually notice on the Rugged Case, it has these two little holes down here. And I assume that is for some sort of keychain or lanyard or some way of attaching something to it, even though they don't include anything like that for you with the actual case itself. When I noticed that, that was the first thing that I wanted to try to figure out. So I'll leave a link to both of the items that you'll need for this in the description down below. But the first thing that I got were these little lanyards. So I don't know if you guys remember these, but the little keychain lanyards that you would see on old phones with little keychains or things like that. Put a little stylus on it or something like that. I found these on Amazon. It's this really tiny little wire that has a key ring at the end of it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a cut right there, basically turning it into two even length pieces. And so I just kind of snip it right here. Now that frays the cord a little bit, and so what I usually do is I kind of like wet it so that it puts the cord back down a little bit, and then you'll thread one piece of it through the top hole and the other piece through the bottom hole. Okay, so now that you have both pieces through here, you're gonna pull it tight basically to give you this little key ring, like so. And then, I don't know, maybe if you're some Boy Scout or something and you know a really fancy knot to tie, you can go ahead and tie that. I literally just tied a couple of regular knots. So there's like one. And the reason why I do a couple of them is one, to kind of keep them from letting the one previous untie itself, if you will. And then two, when you cut off the excess string and you put the AirPods down in the actual case, it'll basically press against this little knotted end that you have going on down here and will allow you to hold it into place even better. So I'm not super stressed about the knot itself, but just enough of them to where it's not coming undone, especially with some pressure. Now what I did is I'll kind of use two of my fingers to hold the line taut, if you will, and then I'll take your knife and just kind of snip it at the end like so. And so you cut off the excess, and then I'll push down that little tip down to the bottom, or like push it downward, and then you'll take your AirPods and you'll slide it in on top, and it basically holds that end in place really well, so that your AirPods now have a key ring sticking out of the side of them in a way that's not protruding too far or having to wrap around the actual outside of it. There's all these other solutions you can get to add a key ring to it, but this is the one that I found works the best. So it gives you that little key ring. Now the last part of this video is actually going to involve these little mini clips that I found on Amazon as well. So you take these little clips, or one of them if you will. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find a link that only gave you one of these things, so you will have to spend probably like 15 bucks or something, or like 10 to 15, 10 to 20 bucks to get the stuff you need for this, but it's well worth it as far as the convenience you get for it. So you take your little key ring clip, and basically you just thread it onto the actual loop right here. Okay, that was much more of a struggle than I thought it would be, but I finally got the little clip attached to it. The reason why I do this is because I usually charge my AirPods at night wirelessly, so I like to be able to unclip them from my keys and just have it set there. Also, there's times where I don't need my AirPods with me and I want to just avoid having another bulky thing on my keys, so it's just nice to be able to clip it off and on. So basically, now finished product wise, you attach it to the key ring, and there you go. You have your Nomad Airpod Rugged Case attached to your keys pretty seamlessly, pretty durably overall. Just a quick little tutorial. It's not rocket science, again, I know that. It's pretty obvious too, considering there are little holes there built for it. So assumingly they wanted you to do some sort of thing like this, but I just never been able to find anyone telling you to do so or the best way to do so. I doubt this even is the best way, but this is just the way that works for me. So if this was helpful, the link to those things will be down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you can and you enjoy and want to see more content. Any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Yeah, that should do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.